Hey.
I had to get that.
Here's the Mustang, yeah. It's 4.6, 281, something like that, you know, CC. Cubic inch, okay. Here's the pony right there. There's the grill. I mean Mustang, okay. And, we don't have no headlights in there because we're tinting them. But, here they go. Here's the 4.6 liter engine, okay. We got some, polish in here, what they are. And, I set the pony up here on the plenum, okay, and there's the air intake right there. Yep, there's the overflow tank for the radiator, okay, and here's the battery that'll make it start, go boom boom, okay, and well, that's the engine, okay, and then, we got the little hood insulator thing, make it all, nice and good and don't overheat and blow up. That'd be bad. And the pony right there, you got RDC, okay? And yeah, nice and pretty. And what we got here is the color is called dark shadow gray, okay? And I got the bullet wheels, okay? And the GT emblem says GT, yeah, And I got the dark tint on here. Maybe some GT hood scoops, and then look at the interior. It's a dark charcoal and leather seats. They feel nice. And the pony emblem right there, because of the Mustang. And then it's a 5-speed, and it's got a Mach sound system in there. It came stock for factory, and it's pretty nice. Yeah. Okay. I go to the back over here. Bryce is working on his truck and putting his third brake light in. He just tinted. It looked very nice. And we're doing his taillights, as you can see. And it says Mustang back here. And his little pipes down there, making it sound vroom vroom. And then it says Ford because it's a Ford and it's a Mustang. Okay. Oh, watch his head. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Very nice. Yeah.